Happy Valentine's Week to all. And especially today is the chocolate day. This Valentine's Week, I'm going to give you those who don't have a Valentine. I'm going to give you a very beautiful, a handsome Valentine to you today. Guess? Any guess? Yes, that is you. Unless and until you love yourself, unless and until you can be your own Valentine, you can never expect a Valentine for you who understands you, who care for you, who devote time for you, and so long and so forth. You are not going to get anyone in your life unless and until you start with your own self. Yes? So be your own Valentine this Valentine's Day. That's also starting from today, this very moment onwards. I can guide you. What all we expect from a Valentine? A boyfriend, a girlfriend, a spouse who cares for you. What all we expect? What are our dream about our Valentine? Care, concern, love, devotion to us, truthful and trustworthy. Then maybe sharing his time, energy, and all. No, if you are your own Valentine, can you be a good Valentine to your partner, to your own self? Can you be? If you cannot be today a Valentine for your own self, to your own soul, your own body, how can you expect the same from someone who does not know about you, who cannot come into your heart and see what is going on inside? Good question, no? So let us start with our own self. Be your Valentine today who understands yourself better. Your emotions, your physical problems, your physical attitudes, what are your expectations, what are your dreams, and everything you know better. So if you can be your Valentine, your best friend, it would be so great, it would be so great. And the one thing which is a hindrance to be our own best friend is that we are escaping from our own self because of maybe of our past or maybe of our anxiety about the future. We don't want to live in the present moment. If you can be in the present moment with your own self, that will be the awesome experience in your life. That I can promise you. Are you getting me? See, mind, we cannot control our mind because mind is like a monkey, right? And it is always jumping here and there and never want to sit somewhere for a while. But Manojaya eva Mahajaya. Manojaya eva Mahajaya. If you can control, if you can take control of your mind, you can be with you, you can be within you can be so close to you in the present moment, and that present moment can be happier than your yesterdays and your future, your tomorrows. How can you control your mind? Manojaya eva Mahajaya. So, if we can control our mind, we can control everything. We can control everything. If I can control my mind, I can control myself. If I can control myself, I can control others also. My situations, my relatives, my friends, whatever may be. I can control everyone. Manojaya eva Mahajaya. I'm giving you a very small tip to control your mind. You know, Miss, how the children are so happy. What is the reason? Children, but बच्चे को देख लो, and they are always happy. They are always happy because they are living in the present moment. They are living in the present moment. कोई भी बच्चे को देख लो, दे मे बी टॉकिंग विद देयर खिलौना, या तो दे वो टॉकिंग विद देयर फ्रेंड्स एंड दिस वन दैट वन, बट whatever they are doing, whatever they are doing, they are enjoying it, and that they can enjoy it because they are living in the present moment. They are present living in the present moment. They don't have yesterdays, they don't have futures, tomorrows. So we have to, as a best friend of your own self, you have to be in the present moment. You need to live in the present moment to enjoy that moment. आप में से ये बताओ, कितने लोगों को ऐसी आदत है कि मुझे टॉयलेट सीट में बैठ के आज का प्लानिंग कर दे और चैटिंग चालू कर दे और गुड मॉर्निंग विशेस टॉयलेट सीट में बैठ के भेज दे और पेपर पढ़ते हैं, राइट? एंड वो जो that the process you are doing, the actions you are doing, that does not followed by the soul, that does not followed by the mind actually. टॉयलेट सीट में बैठने का एक पर्पस होता है ना, एंड डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम हमें पता है इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स है अपना, सलाइवा से लेके स्टूल एक्रेशन का जो प्रोसेस तक, जो प्रोसीजर जो है, इट इज सो कॉम्प्लेक्स. अपना बिग इंटेस्टाइन और स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन का पता है हमें से कितना लंबाई होता है? And this food which we are taking, that has to undergo a lot of complex procedures, and that digestive system is taking care of every minute thing in the procedure. And when we are sitting on this one, no toilet, no, means we don't care of, we are not bothered about the complex procedure, and or otherwise we are taking entire our body system, and especially digestive system, taken for granted, like. And if we can be present in that process, अगर मैं सब टॉयलेट सीट में बैठते भी, and if we can focus on that process what is going on inside, and if we can be grateful to the divine which is created those systems, and the process can be complete in itself. अगर आप में से किसी को भी अगर इंडाइजेशन है, ऐसे इंडाइजेशन प्रॉब्लम है, डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम्स में प्रॉब्लम है, that may be because of this non, that you are not included, in that process, like you are doing it everything mechanically. No, start living an energetic life. fully involved in whatever you are doing. Give 100% attention to that. Be into that, be present in that very moment. Whatever you do, you may be drinking a tea, thinking about the future. You are not there. How can you be your Valentine then? From a Valentine, what do you expect? His presence, her presence, and her belongingness with you, sharing, caring, understanding you. This all you need, no? More than anything, he is or she is available with you. You want he or she should be available with you. But you yourself is not available with you. You yourself are not available with you. That does mean that you cannot attract, you cannot get a Valentine for understanding you better. So I'm requesting you to be available for you. Be present in the current moment. Be present in your body. Be present in all the situations you are undergoing. Be present in whatever action you are doing. You may be drinking a tea. You may be reading a paper. You may be cooking. You may be walking. You may be listening to a music. Try to be there. Try to be in that process. So when you are in the process, your mind cannot go here and there. So when you are controlling, when you are able to control your mind, you are not controlling your mind, but you are trying to be there within the present moment. The action which you are doing, the things you are thinking about, all these things are in the present moment, and you are bringing that available, your availability as a soul, as a that spirit, as a that that what you can call as a consciousness. You are present in that very moment. Today onwards, whatever you do, from the morning to evening, whatever you do, be your own Valentine. Start loving yourself. Today you present a Cadbury chocolate to your own self, and be available to you today. Whatever you do, from today onwards, whatever you do, be present in that moment. Don't go here and there. Don't go yesterday's and future. Be present, and be a present to your own present. When you start living like this, be present in the present, you can achieve that Manojaya Eva Mahajaya. And when it will be a routine, when it is a routine in your life, you can have a very beautiful life ahead, a fruitful life ahead. You won't be living for someone else. You will be living for you. Whatever you do, whatever you think, whatever your habits are, whatever you are doing, everything you will with a wish and will and intention. And within that, within this thing, all these things, all those things which you are doing, all those actions and all those process, you will be available. When you are completely 100% available to that particular moment, that moment is under your control, under your authority. So take control of your life from today onwards. Thank you so much for listening to me.